Hey, what's up? What's up? Harrison here. I thought I'd do this Facebook Live. Haven't done one for a long time. In fact, even on this page, I don't even know when the last time is that I did one. And I was thinking to myself, making changes is hard. I don't know. What do you think? Changes are hard. Learning new things can be tough. Some things when you learn them can be real easy. Stuff that you really like, things that you're passionate about, things that you enjoy, things that are easy, things where you have some talent, maybe you take for granted. And when you need to learn new things in those areas, it's a piece of cake, easy. And then when you take other areas that you have to learn, like maybe technology, like some of us, we have a tendency to find technology easy, a tendency to enjoy it, have fun with it, play with it, try all different features and functions and options and all this sort of stuff. And then there's the other kind of people who don't have fun with it, who find it challenging. And, these days, most areas of life are being taken over by technology. So we're being forced to learn new technologies all the time. It's like Facebook, in the old days, and we're talking 10 years ago, Facebook was something new. It was newer even before that. It was started more than 10 years ago, but let's take 10 years ago. Facebook was like something new and it was exciting. And I remember when we used to play games on it and we used to share stuff with our friends and family, we're just getting used to it. And if you think of all the changes that have happened with Facebook over the years and how much business has taken over it with posting promotional stuff and then how much there is to learn on an ongoing basis. Because like now, Facebook has changed the algorithm, and then tomorrow, next week, next month, the algorithm will change again. So what used to work just days ago doesn't work now, and then it won't work next week and next month. So this whole learning curve where we've got to be always learning new stuff, it's never going to change. It's not going to get less. And if we want to master the things that we're working on, we have to get comfortable with this constant changing and with the need to always be learning the new stuff and the challenges that come with that. I just thought I'd ramble on about that in this Facebook Live, in this funny looking screen, with 6 different visuals here, something different to play with and some thoughts about making changes. How I do it is that I tend to experiment and I'll try something out and then I'll discover that maybe what I was doing was not the best way to do it. And then you learn, oh shit, I've been fucking it up the whole time. And maybe there's some easier way to do it and I need to change it. And then you get used to change. And you just rest and relax and go with the flow. And I think a lot of struggle comes with fixating on how things used to be, how we want it to be. And then when it actually is different from our expectation, it creates some stress and struggle. Whereas if we can surrender to the flow and say some things will work, some things don't, and we'll just go with what works, surrender to that and take it easy and not get upset when we do things that fuck it up. Like I was watching a video just recently and it was saying that there's something that I was doing at the end of every video that I've been doing that I shouldn't be doing. And that actually I was copying someone else who didn't get a lot of engagement in their videos. I was duplicating them without thinking about it because I didn't know what to do. So I just copied the first example I had. And then I found out that this is what you do if you want to have people not following you, because the algorithm looks for it. It listens to your words and what you say, and then it downgrades you based on that. And I was thinking, what the hell? So I'm going to stop doing that. So what do you think? It's not easy, is it, this change business? Not easy going with the flow and not meeting our expectations. So anyway, this is Harrison here in Singapore, and I am over and out. Let me know what you think. Do you find changes easy or do you find them hard? See ya. Have an awesome day. Ciao, ciao. Bye.